Hi mga gala! So as you can see, it's a bit cleaner and more organized now. This side, this is actually the main door, and when you enter, I already have my desk here because I need to create a better system. My printer should be easy to connect to my laptop and my machine as well. So you can see, by the way, these books are what I use to press some of the notebooks and notepads. So just for now, I'm using this one for now, but I will be making a better solution for the pressing of the notebooks. So here my cutter is here, so now it's easier for me to it's accessible to cut. And this side here is now my area where I can do all the cutting manually and the assembly of the notebooks. So this is the cutting where I cut the paper so that it will create a better cut. And this side here is my manual cutting and where I do the binding of the notebooks. So basically this is it. So this is my lights. So hopefully I still have to think of where should be the perfect area that I can do video lesson. So here, I'm gonna go at this side so that you can see the whole setup in the other angle. So there. So this is basically the room, my craft room. It's not perfect. I know I still have a lot of things to improve on this room. I wanted to put some shelvings here in order for me to put all my products. It's easy for me to reach. So I still have to think of better solution. But for now, so this is basically it. So hopefully mga igala, this setup will make me more efficient in my production of the Binuhat ni Cebuano 101 stationaries and making video lessons. Do you like this kind of video, mga igala? So every now and then I'll be sharing like this, but most of the time I'll be sharing video lessons, Bisaya video lessons to all of you guys. So to all my patrons, daghang salamat for all your support all these years. You guys have been there. I cannot do these things because of your support, mga igala. I was able to buy some machineries in order for me to create new products for Cebuano 101. So because of your help, so I was able to buy this machine, So all these things because of your support. So daghan kaayong salamat sa tanan. So hopefully you guys, please stay tuned for my launching of the Binuhat ni Cebuano 101 stationaries. Hopefully you guys will support me on this new journey of basically my business, my career. Okay, so I would still be focusing on improving the website, and on the side I'll be making some notebooks and other stationaries that might be helpful to you guys, because my stationaries have Bisaya words. Hopefully those Bisaya words, the more you see them, will help in retention of those words. So it's like a part of your life, in your day-to-day life. So hopefully that makes sense of what I'm trying to say. So you guys, daghan kayong salamat. Kita-kita ta sunod nga video. So if you like this, kung ganahan ka nga video, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That will really help my YouTube channel. Okay, so here, this is not a room anymore. It's not the usual bedroom. It's now my studio, aka craft studio room now. Okay, so that's all for today, mga higala. Kapoy na ko because of all this cleaning and buying of materials. So yep, kita-kita ta sunod. Bye. Amping.